रंबा जी।
हाँ
हाँ ठीक है।
और अभी मैं रंजना जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दें, और इनकी जितनी तारीफ की जाए, इनका भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। नारी शक्ति स्टार्ट की तो फर्स्ट डे अपने से इनिशिएटिव ली कि रंभा जी मैं सबका इन्फो बनाती हूँ। आई एम सो हैप्पी। तो सही कहा गया है कि शुरुआत करो, कारवां बनता जाएगा। अब तो मुझे सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, मेरा काम होता है जोड़ना और आगे बढ़ाना आप लोग का काम है। तो चलिए रंजना जी, आप अपने बारे में बताइए।
Thank you for your kind words, Rambhaji. I think you are the one who motivated actually to come and do whatever I can, right? So I'm glad to do that for you guys. So just mera introduction. मैं Ranjana Singh हूँ. I am from North Carolina. And I'm a network consultant. My husband, he's also a computer engineer. He also works for IT. मेरा बेटा है वो अब he's working for Department of Defense. My daughter, she has done her undergraduate. She's applying for medical schools. So I guess I'm now empty nester and I have more time to really talk to you all, and I'm very excited and very happy to be part of Nari Shakti. And I think I get a lot of strength with everybody working towards the same goal to help each other, to be together, So those are some things that really inspire me, that we are one big family and we need to help each other. So I see that in Rana Nari Shakti. And I know Prabhaji jab baat kar rahi thi, so I wanted to share some things. Ki, actually, I mean, I'm a part of WhatsApp group. So there was a chat, there was somebody posted about when they were trying to get the donation for somebody in India, right? So they use very harsh words. And I tell you, I mean, I read it and I generally try to don't try to pay attention, but that just I didn't like it, It was like something that if you should pay. If you don't pay, then you will get ill or you'll lose your money in stock or you will have bad health. I just couldn't take it, and I generally don't speak, but I was like, do these people know how other people feel, that you ask them to become thy life member and then you just don't care about them, how they feel? So I tried to address some things in a polite way as much as I could, but yeah, I mean, Prabhaji, you come across those people who just think that people don't know anything and they can treat them or talk to them any way they want. And what I observed was that when I was trying to put my comments there's people, they would come and support the people who were saying something against, So I was feeling that in this Nari Shakti, we all need to speak up. We all need to, if we don't like something, just speak up.
Yes.
Because one person cannot do it. And we are not doing like to criticize somebody. We are not doing it to show ourselves. We just want fair. We want everybody to be treated fairly and to be understood. So in fact, I made some suggestions to them and I asked them that, look, I mean, I understand NEC has certain things that they want members to do, but at the same time, members also want something, right? So they also need to be heard. So I don't know how much they will do, but yeah, I did talk to Gajin Bhai Saab and I did talk to Pradeep Bhai Saab. They kind of looked into my suggestions and they are looking into doing, they said they will do, but I don't know how much it will be done. But that's what I faced, Prabhaji.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ranjana ji.
And I'm just sharing one more thing here. So yesterday I was talking about somebody, that person has a life membership. And I said that information is not in Connect. And this person says to me, oh, it's a common sense. I couldn't take it. You're trying to insult somebody?
वही रंभा जी वही बात बोल रही है ना कि एक्चुअली जिसका जैसा मतलब ओपिनियन होता है ना, उसी हिसाब से आंसर निकलता है. और एवरीबॉडी थॉट इज डिफरेंट, राइट? यू आर राइट. एक्चुअली लोगों का सोच अलग अलग होने से ही ये प्रॉब्लम है. हाँ, सोच का प्रॉब्लम है. या
जी रंजना जी, आप यदि कुछ बुरा भी लगता है तो उसको बुरा नहीं मानना है, क्योंकि मैं 5 इयर्स से, मैं अकेले नहीं, मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड दोनों बहुत लगे रहे, करते रहे। और यहाँ पर भी संगीता जी तो हम मेरी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हैं यहाँ एजी चैप्टर की, ये तो जानती हैं कि कितना मैंने लोगों को मेंबर बनाना आसान नहीं है। उसके बाद भी किसी मेंबर को लिख कर आ जाएगा कि बी पेशेंट, 6 महीना 5 महीना लोग अप्रूव होने में टाइम लेते हैं। तो कई चीजें हैं कि उन लोग समझ नहीं पाते हैं एनईसी में, और ये भी नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि लोकल चैप्टर को कितना हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है। यदि लोकल चैप्टर न रहे तो एनईसी कैसे रहेगा? राना इज अम्ब्रेला। तो कई चीजें हैं कि हम लोग को मिलकर भागना नहीं है। लोग कहते हैं ना कि पोजीशन, बिना पोजीशन का भी हम लोग अपना पोजीशन अच्छे कर्मों से बना सकते हैं। और यही मेरा मकसद था कि हम नारी शक्ति राना, हर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में मैं देखती थी कि 2-3 लेडीज हैं, बाकी राना की लेडीज का कहीं किसी को नहीं देखती थी। तो रियली वी आर लकी कि 110 हम लोग विमेन कनेक्ट हो गए हैं, और वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक डिफरेंस।